In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use the Plus500 trading platform for your trading needs. We'll walk through a comprehensive view of its features, helping you make informed trading decisions right from the start. When you head to app.plus500.com, you're greeted with an intuitive interface that's logically arranged to make the trading experience as smooth as possible. Let's begin by exploring the navigation overview. On the left side of your screen, you'll find the sidebar. This is your gateway to the various markets you can trade in. Whether you're interested in the most popular markets, forex, commodities, shares, indices, or even the increasingly popular crypto, everything is just a click away. Moving to the top bar, you'll see your account balance. Here, you can easily switch between real and demo modes, which is especially useful if you're still in the practice phase. You'll also find notifications that keep you informed about any updates or changes that might affect your trades. Now, let's focus on the center panel. This is where you'll see the selected instrument's price chart, along with convenient buy and sell buttons for immediate action. Lastly, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find the bottom panel. This area showcases your open positions, order history, and any alerts you've set, offering you a full view of your trading activity at a glance. Choosing an instrument to trade is both intuitive and straightforward. Start by clicking on a category, such as forex or commodities. From there, you'll have various instruments to choose from, like EUR/USD in forex or gold and oil in commodities. Once you've selected an instrument, it's time to open a trade. Decide whether you expect the price to rise or fall, then click. Buy if you anticipate it will go up, or sell if you believe it will go down. After choosing, simply enter the amount you wish to trade. For a layer of safety and strategy, you have the option to add stop loss and take profit to your trade, minimizing risk and locking profits when certain thresholds are reached. Additionally, if the option is available, setting leverage can amplify your trading potential. Once everything is set, click Open Position to activate your trade. Monitoring your trades closely is crucial. Within the Open Positions tab, you can view live updates of your profit or loss, check margin details, and see your stop loss and take profit configurations. Feel free to edit any position at any time to fine-tune your trades as market conditions change. When it's time to close a trade, simply click on your chosen position. Select Close Position, and your profit or loss will be updated instantly. Lastly, managing your account is as important as trading. Under the Funds section, you can deposit or withdraw money if you're using a real account. The Monetary History section is invaluable for tracking past trades and understanding your financial journey. Meanwhile, in account settings, managing KYC requirements, updating your password, and configuring notifications ensures your account remains secure and tailored to your needs. And that wraps it up. With this knowledge, you're now ready to navigate Plus500 confidently. Happy trading!